Scene script, ever pondered about the newest meme coin making waves in the block? Let's unravel the mystery of Cro Crow, a phenomenon that's causing quite a stir in the cryptosphere. Cro Crow, a name that sounds as intriguing as the story behind it, is more than just a meme coin. It's a symbol of a community, a representation of a movement in the decentralized world. First things first, what is Cro Crow? It's a crow with a knife, a unique and edgy symbol, and it's also the first non-fungible token, or NFT, deployed on the Cronos chain. The momentous event occurred on block number 946, marking a significant milestone in the realm of cryptocurrency. But what sets Cro Crow apart from the myriad of other meme coins out there? The answer lies in its decentralized nature and the community that supports it. Cro Crow isn't just another coin controlled by a select few, it's a community-driven project, a collective endeavor of crypto enthusiasts striving to make a mark in the digital world. Now let's delve into the heart of Cro Crow, the dollar core. Dollar core isn't your regular meme coin, it's a decentralized token with a twist. Unlike many other coins where the supply is controlled and released gradually, dollar core defies the norm. From day one, 100% of its supply is in circulation. This is a game changer, a move that shakes up the traditional crypto dynamics and puts the power back in the hands of the community. The essence of Cro Crow and dollar core lies in its democratic approach. It empowers the crypto community, offering a platform where everyone has a say and everyone can participate. It's not just about the coin, it's about the ethos it represents. In the rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrency, Cro Crow and dollar core stand as a testament to the power of community and the potential of decentralized platforms. They are not just a footnote in the crypto narrative, but a significant chapter in the ongoing saga of digital currency. So the next time you hear the caw of a crow, remember, it's not just a bird, it's a symbol of a revolution in the crypto world, a revolution known as Cro Crow.